right, it's a cold one today. Happy New Year. It's New Year's morning. Woo! And Sharon's off again. Man, it was cold getting loaded up, but I got the Coyote loaded up because I'll give you an update here in a minute on the equipment, but the other two machines are down, so I'll bring the Coyote with the TR3, do some gravel work while it's cold and crummy. But Happy New Year to everyone. Let's get some fresh air. Loaded up, ready to go. Kind of warming up yet. All right, of course I forgot to put diesel in the Coyote at home. So anyways, small town USA, I like it. I was fueling it up here at the local diesel stop, and there was a guy next to me. I had my tractor on. He's like, how do you like that? I said, yeah, it's a pretty solid machine, you know. I said, oh, I had like 3 or 4 of them now. And turns out he worked for Bobcat and Rolla, which is where my excavator is. And I said, well, you guys got my excavator. He's like, really? What's your name? So I told him. He's like, yeah. He's like, well, we just about got it done. So today's New Year's Day. I was hoping to get it by tomorrow to free up that high lifter. Here's the scene of the crime. Right here. So yeah, spoiler alert. They did get it to us on Friday, which was today, as a matter of fact, as I'm editing this. So that was today's mission, so stay tuned in the coming days for freeing up the John Deere. He's like, well, we found out one roller was bad, then the other one was bad, so we overnighted the second roller, and I told them if they don't get it to go ahead and pull one off of a brand new machine so we can get them back up and running. So now second roller needs replacing also. They're going to pull it off a new machine if they don't get overnighted in time, and get me hopefully back up and running tomorrow, which is Friday the 2nd of January. Crazy, but that's cool stuff with small town USA. Alright, first we're just doing cleanup duty with all the bags that Sharon picked that were a little bit heavy to haul over to the dumpster. And then pick the big rocks in here. And then decide where I'm going to start grading at. I think the ground is dry enough for it to grade out halfway decent. Hopefully the excavator should be back tomorrow. Hey guys, Kapper here. Welcome back and welcome to any of our new viewers. So this is our 205 acre Missouri project property, and today we are going to get some serious work done. So we've been working on cleaning up this area around this barn now for, I don't know, probably a month or so. This is our 3rd dumpster. So today we're going to get it a pick clean, finished pick clean of garbage. We're going to pick big rocks, as you're going to see here, and we are going to get it graded and prepped for new gravel and a new lawn area. So join us for some fresh air. I think you'll enjoy it. If you do, hit the like button, consider subscribing and sharing it with your friends as we keep it very real here on our beautiful Living the Dream outdoors project videos. Thanks a lot. All right, the final hand picking of rocks. We tried to get to around tennis ball-ish size and bigger. So I'm going to store this rock pile, you know, in case I need fill somewhere later on, out of the way. And then we'll start grading. Alright, here's a before look of grading. We've got a few obstacles to get around, but I just want to get her knocked down. If the ground cooperates, then I might put just a driveway worth of gravel right in here, and then that'll all be probably just grass. Alright, so I'm depositing all of the chaff in a pile here, and then I'm going to come back and scoop it up with the bucket after I get all the chaff off of this area. So this pile is dirt, sticks, and rocks that I'll pile up in a separate pile in case I need fill later on. To the barn here. Now we got a terrain feature, little hillside. I'm just going to try and knock this down, you know, to where you could bush hog it decent enough when it comes up. It will scrape off a bunch of the chaff, but not all of it, which is fine. I'm just going to make my deposit pile right here. I can come and scoop it later. there. Well, I can't blame you.
Although I'm going to have my phone then for another hour.
All right, thanks for joining us. Before we close out with this last kind of unusual video clip you're going to see in a minute, stay tuned for the next episode, which is laying gravel. Finally, it's been a long run, and this turned out beautiful. We're laying a driveway / camper pad. Coming up on the next episode or within the next couple, so hit the like and subscribe button. We hope to see you then. Until then, have a great weekend and take care. Thanks a lot. Yeah, that's all right. I already got one started from a couple days ago, so I got already a skeleton baby. Thinking ahead.
No new mice on the glue traps.
That's good. Possibly I gotta bring one of them babies home.
Well, you gonna put the tractor away first?
Yeah.
Here, I'll